Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Ty and thank you for joining me. I am here today to talk to you about how to properly use a trimmer. It's a pretty long trimmer. Yep. And also I'm going to try to use Vietnamese translations and please comment below if they're right or not. Most likely, I'm probably not right with the Vietnamese translations. Anywho, so here you have this Tanaka lightweight, and it's not lightweight. This thing probably weighs about a good 20 pounds. And it's not much, but if you're holding it for a long time, trying to trim these weeds, and it gets pretty heavy. And in Vietnamese, this would be called a máy, which means machine. Máy trim cỏ. Cỏ is grass, and trim. No idea what the word for trim is. Any guesses? Anyways, so be sure, safety first. PPE or PPE, glasses, mutkin, and steel-toed boots. Đôi giày steel toe. Here is the choke. So we're gonna make sure the choke's down, pump that gas, bấm cái nút choke, and pull this string to turn on the trimmer. Kéo dây. Kéo is pull, and yay is string. Okay. Let's see. Let me try not to get this cord in the way. That's down. And this one's on. All right. Let's give it a go. It's a cold start. Almost. Yes. Success. And here's your safety. An toàn. Push that down. Bấm xuống. And then pull the trigger. Alright, now let's get to trimming.